The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips and the trunk. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to do reverse lunges, walking style. So what I mean by that is you're going to take a step back, come up, take a step back, come up, with a cross connect. And so what the cross connect's going to do is you want to take, let's say I'm stepping back with my left leg, so my right leg's going to be in front. As I drop down and take a knee, I'm going to take my opposite elbow and reach it towards my knee like this without crunching down to get it. So I don't want that. I'm just going to reach the arm in that general direction. When you step back with the lunge portion, you want to get a very subtle back pocket tuck. Exhale so you get the rib cage in a good position in the abs. You're going to step back, take a knee, and then bring the arm across. As you're doing that, you want to inhale quietly because that's going to get a nice upper back stretch. Exhale, stand back up, and then you'll rinse and repeat. It's going to look like this in full sequence. So I'm here. There's my exhale. From the front view, you want to make sure that when you step back, you got foot, knee, hip, chest, all in a straight line. Keep it centered. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.